Welcome to Godmanchester Nature Reserve, a stunning pocket of Cambridgeshire countryside located just on the edge of the town. This peaceful reserve is centred around a series of former gravel pits, now beautifully transformed into wildlife-rich lakes. It's a haven for nature lovers, walkers and photographers, with well-maintained trails winding through wildflower meadows and quiet woodlands. The reflections on the water, the birds in flight and the beautiful sky, even on a day like today, make every visit truly special. Managed by the Wildlife Trust, this isn't just a place to enjoy, it's a vital local asset, protecting rare habitats and providing the community with a space to explore, breathe and reconnect with the natural world.